I'm going to show you how I did my Notion School template that I've been using since high school and have given me really good results. Like it's literally easier to study. Now let's start without further ado. I'll give you a tour first to see how you like it. Here's the main page. You have goal plan, study area, files, and resources at the top. This is what it looks like. And then you have a to-do list that sorts itself, and it also reflects on a calendar. If you check it out, it will disappear automatically. Then you have a digital notebook, clock, reminders list, school countdown, quote generator, and inspo pick. Your class notebook looks like this. You can customize the time slot and day. You have an inspo pick on the left, then class information on the right. Then you have the class topics, organized per lesson. You can write the other course information on the left too. We have class links, and then a course requirement. Then here is where you type down your notes with the lecture date. And then a to-do list from the main page that is filtered only for this subject or course. Let's check the goals page. Here, you can track your goals and your plan of action. But the highlight here is the grade calculator. I programmed it myself. Just input your total score for, let's say, for example, all your written works in history class. And then the total number of items for all your written works in history class. It will automatically calculate your predicted average on the right. And the bottom right will show your total average. In the study area, you have a music playlist. You can change it. You also have a to-do list from the main page, but is filtered to this week's deadline. Then a timer and virtual spaces from Life@. You can change the scenery however you like. Then we have a whiteboard for brainstorming. The Important Files page is just like a digital storage area for your school files and links for useful websites. The Resources page contains the school information, school map, resources and references, and also links for academic websites. You also add here more information about your professors. And that's it. That's your easy school planner. Finally, here's the tutorial. It's really easy, but a bit of a lengthy process, so for your convenience, just buy it for $1 if you don't want to waste time. Anyways, type your page title. Make sure it's in full width and use serif text. You can add your program, grade level, and school year. I use this template until college, so this is really necessary so I can recognize which template is for my current year. Next is you're going to make a page. Type GOALS, go back to the main page, and make the rest of the pages. And then you make 4 columns by dragging the button to the left of each other. We're going to add an inspiration picture at the top of each page so it's quicker to recognize. I found it on Pinterest, but you can upload anything you like. We're going to make columns again, so drag the dots to the left 3 times. For the left column, add an embed link, and then you're going to go to a website called Widgetbox. Find Clock, and then click Customize and Embed. You can design it however you like, but I want pink, of course. Once you're done, click Copy Embed URL at the top, then paste it to your Notion. On the middle column, add a gallery view, then click New Database. On the right column, add an embed link again. Go to Widgetbox and look for timers. Click Customize, and then here's a countdown for the end of your school year. After you're done customizing, click Copy Embed URL, then paste. You should make the middle column bigger than the left and right. Now let's add a callout. Remove background color, then type reminders. Here you just add a to-do list. Next, let's add a manifestation picture or any picture you like. On the right column, add an embed link again. Go to Widgetbox, find quotes, then customize it. You can choose whether to get random quotes or if you want to type your own. Copy and paste, and then adjust the size. You should also add an inspo pic. Now we're going to make a table view. Click New Database. I forgot to put a check button in this tutorial, but just add one. After we're done putting the properties at the top, let's add the classes and task types. And then we click Sort. Plan to do, it should look like this. Click Add Sort, click Due Date, and then it should sort automatically by now. Also, click Filter, then click Check, then click where checked, then click Is, then click Unchecked. Add a heading, then type Class Schedule. Make 2 columns. Then add image to the left column. On the right, add Calendar View. Then paste the link of the to-do list at the top. Then select that. Click the 3 dots, select Properties, and make the task type and class visible. Next is the Classes page. Replace this property with Multi-Select and rename it. Add a property and choose Multi-Select. Now just enter all your possible schedule. Make 2 columns. Add an inspo pic on the left. And add class information on the right. On course requirements, just check your course syllabus so you know what to put here. Now let's add the filtered to-do list for this class. Just duplicate it and then edit for each of your classes. Make sure that your to-do list is filtered based on specific classes. Let's edit the goals page. In the grade calculator, the last column should be a formula. Now, the type in the formula, written work / WWI items, asterisk, percentage of task in decimal form, asterisk, 100. The decimal I put in the formula is the percentage of each of your activity type. For example, your examinations take up 30% of your total grade, so type 0.3 in the formula. Repeat for all activity types. Now, for example, all your 3 written works have a total of 150 items, so that's 50 items per written work. And your total written work score is 129. Input 129 for written works and 150 for WW items. The grade tracker will now compute your grade average. I'll just post the links on the description box, so you'll get to the websites I mentioned easier. For the music playlist, you can use any playlist you like, just make sure it's in public. I found this one on Spotify. Now reference the to-do list to the one on the main page and then click Filter, Due Date, then This Week. Again, check the description for the link on Virtual Spaces and Whiteboard. And that's everything.